Hi. We're gonna go outside and see how bad it is. Okay? Let's go. Sorry it's black and white, but what are you gonna do? Hi.
Hi.
We're going outside.
Okay.
Bye. Oof. I think I kicked a Legos box or something. Yeah, shut the door behind me. Oh. Oh, hell as we know it. Now this is bad, dude. I don't even know where I'm going. So here's our car. And in back of the car, yeah, you can't even, how are you supposed to get out of this? This is retarded. Ugh. How? Look at these people's house. They don't even have a door anymore. Wow. This is fun, dude. Oh my God. Blizzard. It's like the world has come to an end. Buried cars. It's crazy. Look at how deep that is. Another car. Poor guy. Look, another car. Ay, ay, ay. There's nobody on the roads. But yeah, last night you couldn't even walk outside. The snow came down so hard it stung you in the face. It was so bad. I just got done digging the truck out. I took Nikki to work. And I'm on my way home. I gotta dig out the other car. And I gotta help my neighbors. But I'll continue filming as long as I can. See you when I get home. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Time to go shovel. And there's my car. How the heck am I going to get that out? Got the truck out, was there. But yeah. Yay for blizzards. Hi. Are we ready to go out and play in the snow?
Okay, ready? Go. I got you. Come on.
Play back there.
Okay. Let's play in the snow.
Melody, look over there. Look at all that snow. What is all that stuff?
You ready?
All right, you ready?
Go ahead.
Well, that's not playing with her, honey.
I'm letting her adjust to it first, and plus,
Well,
I don't want it on camera. So I'm letting her adjust, and then I'm gonna go next.
yeah.
Ready?
Squish. Squish. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I have to edit this part out.
Whoa!
No! Ha ha! That's a lot of snow. So that's a lot of snow.